Okay, so hopefully that trick to working out the 12 times table is now almost as easy as working out your 11 times table, and maybe in the future it might not come to your brain as quickly as possible. So what we're going to do for your task today is to design a double-sided poster, and on one side of it we are going to have our tips for remembering the 11 times table. So you might have the 1 times 11 all the way to 12 times 11 written out, and also written to the side, maybe pointing arrows of how you can remember your 11 times table, because there are tricks. So each number you're timesing it by, double that gives you the answer, or double the digits gives you the answer, however you want to phrase it and however you want to display it. So one side has got a poster how you remember the 11 times table, and on the other side you are going to have a poster about how to remember the 12 times table. So the trick that you've just learned. So again, it might be worth having 1 times 12 all the way to 12 times 12 written there, and then on the other side, or maybe somewhere else on the page, you could have the rules of how you work out those sums. So if you came back to it in a week or so, or you needed to explain it to a friend or somebody else, then you could tell them straight off the bat, this is how I work out my times tables when I'm doing my 12 times tables. Okay, so on one side you've got your 11 times table help sheet, and on the other side you've got your 12 times table help sheet. Okay, now you can do this by hand, you can make it look fantastic, you can make it look fantastic on the computer, and you can do 2 separate documents. Make sure that by the end of the day, 4 o'clock, you have handed in both of those. So I want to see an 11 times table, I want to see a 12 times table. Okay, enjoy.